Is nothing a strong Apple competitor? Sounds very strange, right? Because a new company called Nothing, and what can you expect from a company which is called Nothing, could compete with such a big company like Apple. Yes, at first you'll find this very funny, but what I think that this company has got the potential to be a strong Apple competitor. Now what is Nothing? What is this new company which is called Nothing, and who is its founder, Carl Pei? So for all those who don't know about Nothing, so Nothing is a technology company which was started and founded by Carl Pei, who was the co-founder of OnePlus. But in the year 2020, he resigned from OnePlus and wanted to start a new venture. So it was then that on 27th January 2021, he started this company called Nothing. And to start this new company, obviously he needed some financial support, so he had some investors and they raised up to $7 million for the company. And this company had investors like iPod inventor Tony Fadell, Twitch co-founder Kevin Lin, Reddit CEO Steve Huffman, and YouTuber Casey Neistat. And now let's talk about Nothing's motives, that why is this company here, especially in between big companies like Samsung, Apple, Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo. And what special thing does Nothing have in it, and what type of change does it want to bring in the new technology? Nothing likes to keep everything straight to the point and very simple. And this company even doesn't have complex name to its products like we have in iPhone, the iPhone 13 Pro Max or the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So here in Nothing, if we take the examples of the earphones, so the earphones are named Nothing Earphones 1. So it is as simple as that. And even if you have a look at their website on the internet, so that is also very simple. They want to create products which improves people's lives and makes them easy. They focus on artistry, passion and trust. They aspire to create a digital and seamless future. And even if you go to their website and go in the About Us section, so they clearly mention that no confusing tech speak, no silly product names, just artistry, passion and trust. And products we are proud to share with our friends and family. Simple. Because beautiful tech shouldn't be complicated. And even if you visit their Twitter account, so in the bio they've mentioned that tech has lost its way, nothing can bring it back. We are crafting tech that makes us more human. So by this thing we can conclude that Nothing is a simple company. They want to keep everything simple and straight to the point, and they don't want to make things very complicated. They want that people should understand what they want to present in a very simple way. So moving on, Nothing has only launched one tech product from their side till now, which is the Nothing Ear 1. And they also announced about their Nothing Phone 1 in their March event that was this year in 2022. So first of all, let's talk about their first ever product, which was the Nothing Ear 1. So from the very first instance, as you can see that they've kept the name very simple, that is Nothing Ear 1. They don't want to complicate their names because people usually forget difficult names, and they've kept the name simple so that people remember this name. This product was one of the most hyped products of 2021, and people were hearing leaks and rumors about it that this particular Ear 1 from Nothing would be better than the Apple AirPods Pro or better than the Samsung Galaxy Buds. And obviously Nothing being founded by Carl Pei, the co-founder of OnePlus, and OnePlus already has a good image in people's mind. OnePlus had always made excellent products, so people also expected the same from Nothing. And taking advantage of this, Nothing kept releasing snapshots of its Ear 1 so that the hype doesn't die, and people are still excited about this first ever product from Nothing. So these were some snapshots which they had been putting on Instagram and Twitter about their Nothing Ear 1. So Nothing had a great launch event for their first ever product, the Ear 1. And whenever a new company like Nothing or some new venture comes with some new product, so obviously people think that it would not be able to compete with their competitors, or it would not be that good as the other competitors in the market. But it was not the case here. The Nothing Ear 1 sounded really good and gave a strong competition to Apple's AirPods Pro, which were 4 times the price of Nothing Ear 1. The design and engineering of the Ear 1 was appreciated by everyone, and it had to be appreciated because it was a very unique and different design. It had a transparent body. So because of the transparent body, you could see all the parts inside the earphone, and all those parts inside was so nicely designed and engineered, because obviously all these parts, if looked from a transparent body, would not feel nice or would not look good. But Nothing nailed this design. So this shows that how creative the company was in presenting this type of design in front of the audience. Obviously some people would have doubts that would the transparent body and all the parts being visible of the earphone would look nice. But it was designed such that nothing nailed it. And designs like this are very difficult to produce, but nothing did it. And for example, if we take some earphones and open them, so the parts inside would not be put in a very good manner. The parts would be put in a very disturbed way. But nothing did it in a creative way. So all in all, their first product was a success. And now let's talk about the next product of Nothing, or the upcoming product, which is the Nothing Phone 1. This product was in leaks and rumors for a lot of time. We had some leaks and renders showing a transparent body just like the earphones and many other things. So the start to the announcement of the Phone 1 didn't go well because the live stream started 15 minutes late. I was also watching the live stream and it was 15 to 20 minutes late. And we kept waiting for 15 to 20 minutes. And then I also went to Nothing's website to see that whether it was live streaming there. But I then went back to YouTube and then checked that it was there. So it was 15 to 20 minutes late. And people were also getting mad in the chat section that this is what Nothing has to show us. They're already 15 minutes late. What type of company it is? So now talking about what all they revealed at the event, or what all they told in the event. So all that they showed us in the event about the Phone 1 was the skeletal structure of their smartphone. And I think that we have to get used to all these things from Nothing, because Nothing doesn't release or take out a thing immediately. They would never launch their product straight away. They want to create hype about their new product. And all Carl Pei, the founder of Nothing, talked about in the event was Apple, Apple, Apple. He said that innovation is ending. He said now the choice in the market of the people is Apple. Everyone goes for an Apple. There's no alternative to Apple. And if people buy an Apple product, so they're stuck in the Apple ecosystem. But what Carl Pei is thinking is that Nothing would be compatible with all the ecosystems, and Nothing would also create an ecosystem just like Apple. He said that a person using an Apple product has to use another Apple product if he wants to enjoy the benefits of an ecosystem. What he wanted to say was that an ecosystem is not just about one company or products of one company, but an ecosystem is created by products of different companies, taking technologies from different companies and putting them in one ecosystem and then using it. So he basically wants to diversify the tech in people's hand. And recently Nothing also partnered with Qualcomm for their silicon, and we'll be getting a Snapdragon chip in Nothing Phone 1. Carl Pei also said that they'll be launching a beta launcher of Nothing Phone 1 so that people on Android could try that how a Nothing Phone 1 would feel like. So after the event ended, some people were not at all happy with what all was provided in the event, because all that they provided was a design, a skeletal structure of the Nothing Phone 1, which was not at all enough. People expected that we'll be getting the Nothing Phone 1 right now, but it was not like that. And on the other hand, some people are very excited and hyped about this Nothing Phone 1. They stated that they would launch the Nothing Phone 1 in this summer. But guys, all that now Nothing needs is investors. Nothing needs a lot of money to obviously produce a lot of phones and to also manufacture all these phones. So Nothing is always open for investors if you go on its website, so you can go and invest in this new company. So now the question is that will Nothing do the unexpected? So when a company tries to do something different, so there's obviously a risk of failing, because you never know what will be the reaction of people on that particular thing. On that particular thing on which you've been working for so much of time. I think Nothing can be a strong competitor to both Samsung and Apple, and also to all the other companies in the market. This company has the potential to do the unexpected. Yes, Nothing will take a time to settle in this market, because all they've done is launch just one product in 1 year, and they're now also launching the Nothing Phone 1. So if Nothing Phone 1 is a successful product, so yes, Nothing will make through this way. So now let's hope that Nothing doesn't turn out nothing.